Windows provides you with a system where you can select all sheets. So I'm holding Shift and clicking the sheet so I can select all. And if I hold Shift and right click on it, it will let me copy as path. Okay, so that's what I will do. I'll copy as path. And now that I've copied, I'll go open Excel. Excel is fantastic in processing the data like this. So I'm going to go start just a new Excel. Right click on this and paste value. So I'm going to go just keep text only as my option. So there we go. I have all my sheets here, all the information that I need. Now, what is undesirable in this sheet is this particular information right here. So up to there, I do not need to know. So I'm going to go Control C that, or you can copy that. Hit Escape, so it doesn't create a hyperlink. And you simply go and drop this Find and select and pick Replace. Okay. So in the Replace dialog box, it's asking find what. I'm going to go paste, Control V or paste that information that I just copied previously. And I want to replace with nothing. So when I do replace all, it prompts you that 17. So keep an eye on that 17 replacement because this is very useful. The reason being, right now I have 17 cells selected, and it also tells you at the bottom here that says count 17. So that number kind of helps you that nothing has been missed. Okay, so I'm going to go do OK. I also do not want the .pdf on the end, so I'm going to go find .pdf there, .pdf, and replace with nothing as well. So replace all, 17 replacement, so that makes it all nice and clean. Okay, so I'm going to go close this. So the next task we want to do is separate the sheet number from the sheet name, and that's what we will do. Okay, and then that information is the key information that we will need for our Revit index. So I'm going to go here, and there is this formula in Revit in Excel that is called left. Okay, and when you get this highlighted, you can tab to select that, and it is expecting me to put text. So that would be found in cell A1. So I'm going to give that information. Put a comma, and I'm just following what this is saying here. And number of characters. So number of characters that I want to extract is the P02.31. So that means it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters that I'm interested in. So I'm going to type 6 there and close the bracket. Okay, and hit enter. It will give me the first 6 characters from that information. I'm going to select this, and in Excel what you can do is move your mouse so that your cursor changes to that little dark plus icon. You can drag this all the way down so that same formula is copied over all the way down. Okay, so now I have the information that I need, which is the sheet number. Then finally what I'll do here is extract the remaining of the text so that becomes my sheet name. Okay, so to do that, what I'll do is there's again, you can guess, it's a formula called right, left and right. So I'm going to go type right. Again, the information text is in this cell, so I'm going to go put a comma. And this time, number of characters. Now I cannot really count them all. So what I can do is I can say, well, whatever the total character in the cell A1 minus the number of 6, and the 3 digits that we added in PDF, the space dash space. So that makes it 9 characters that we want to get out of it. Okay, so to do that, what we'll do is after comma, we'll type len, and then len and tab, and the text is still the same text here. And I will complete that len function, and I will do minus 9. The reason I'm doing 9 is the 6 characters for the first name and the space dash space. That makes it 9. So I'm going to do that, close the bracket, and get the name that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm double clicking that. That's the remaining sheet name. So I'm going to go just drag this out all the way down. So this is how you can quickly extract and separate the information that you need. Now, as you can see, there is this one little typo or error in a way, because this numbering is different. There's a 5, so instead of 9, you'll just go there and fix that by typing 8 in it, and that will fix the name automatically. Okay. Now that I know this is the information I need, I'm gonna go make a copy of this and go to the first one here. Okay, assuming that data kind of worked well, I'm gonna go there, right click, and paste values. Okay, this is important. When I do paste values, it avoids the formulas and only pastes the value. So I'm gonna go do that.